See how to create a WhatsApp AI chatbot for your business to automate customer support. So first of all, let me explain how to connect your WhatsApp channel over here. So here, if you head over to settings over here, and in settings, you have to go to the channels right here. And in channels, you will find the WhatsApp. So here, we have already connected a WhatsApp channel. So if you're wondering how to create or connect a WhatsApp chatbot for your account, click on Learn More right here. So it will take you to our guide on how to create a WhatsApp channel for your business. For example, here we have this video explaining every steps in detail. So let me show that. For example, if you click on connect, it will simply ask you to log into your Facebook, and after that it will provide an option for you to select your business suite, and thereafter you can actually connect existing WhatsApp business account, or you can actually create one, and after that will be connected right within our platform right here. So that's a quick video right here to explaining how to connect your WhatsApp channel right here. So after you connect a WhatsApp channel, you can actually create any AI chatbots on the WhatsApp channel. So let's see how to create one to automate a customer support. So here let me use one of our free template over here. So go to the flow section over here, and here you can find the all free templates right here. So let me open this one, and here you will find smart conversational AI with messaging delays and multiple user inputs. So you can actually use this particular template, for example. So this can actually handle multiple user inputs. So that means even if the user send multiple user inputs in a short period of time, it will simply capture all those information and respond to the customer in just a single message, and it can also read the voice messages sent by the customer as well. So let me actually duplicate this free template and create one for a specific business. So let me click on duplicate right here. So here I have just duplicated this one. So let's say we are going to create an AI chatbot for a landscaping company. So here in this particular PDF, we already have some information about that landscaping company called as Greenscape Solutions. So every information about this particular company is in this particular PDF. So let's see how we can use this sort of PDF to create an AI chatbot for your business. So let me copy the company name right here, and let me rename this particular flow as AI bot and click continue. Alright, so I have just rename this particular flow. We just duplicated right here. So now we want to create an assistant using this particular PDF file. So for that, you have to go to settings right here. So click on settings over here, and in settings, let's say we want to use the AI model OpenAI. So you can also use other AI models such as Google Gemini or Cloud to create this AI chatbot on WhatsApp. So let's simply use the OpenAI, and here you have the option to create the assistant. So where you can actually upload any files providing information about your business. So click on manage over here, and let's create a new assistant. Click on it, and let me name this assistant as this particular company name, and click continue. And here you have the option to add your files right here. So let me upload a file. So let me upload that particular file. So I'm just uploading this particular file right here. Just uploaded this particular file, and here you can actually adjust the temperature as you like. So let me do like 0.1, and here you can add instructions over here. So let me say you are a helpful assistant to this particular company. Respond to customers' question in just 1 to 2 sentences. Alright, so let's click save over here. Alright, we have just created this particular assistant, Greenscape Solutions over here. So now we want to use the same assistant to generate any sort of a response in this particular flow we just created. So let me open this particular flow right here. So here in this particular flow, Greenscape AI bot, you have the option to update your business information right here. So click on it, and here we have some information about some other company right here just for the demo. So for that, so here we have to replace generate text with generate text assistant, because we want to use the assistant we just created for the landscaping company. And here let me choose assistant, and here Greenscape Solutions, and here user message will be all latest messages, and you can keep as it is other things, and save response to air output, keep as it is, and click continue. All right, so now just publish this one. All right, it is published as well. So now you have to make sure this particular flow, Greenscape Solutions AI bot, is set as the default reply. So you have to go to the settings once again. So you have to go to the settings over here and choose this particular flow, Greenscape Solutions AI bot, as the default reply flow. All right, so now we can quickly test how this actually works on the WhatsApp. So this is the phone number connected right here. Let's test this on WhatsApp and see what happens. So let me share my phone screen over here and send a message over here. So here let's say hi. Let me ask what is the phone number, where are you located. So as you see here, I'm actually asking 3 questions in just in a short time, and let's see how the AI chatbot respond to us over here. So it will actually respond to us in just a single message, just like a human. So as you see, it says you can reach us at this particular phone number, and we are located at this particular address as well. So even though I sent 3 messages, it simply sent us just 1 message. So this can also support the voice messaging as well. So let me record a voice over here. Can you please provide some information about your pricing for the services you offer? So I am sending a voice, and let me ask a question in text in a asking what is the website address as well. So here I sent a voice note and also asking a question, what is the website address. Let's see how this AI chatbot respond to us over here. So it will wait few seconds before it actually respond to us. So it says our pricing services starts at 150 for landscape design consultation, 75 a month for lawn maintenance, and varies for other services like garden installation and hardscaping. You can find more information on our website at this particular website. Simple as that. So even though users send multiple questions, or even though they send a voice note, it simply respond to us as you see here. So whatever the conversation happening right here can be tracked in the omnichannel inbox as well. So let me open the omnichannel inbox over here and show you all the conversations happening right here. And as you see here, I sent all these 3 messages over here, and the bot sent this message, and after that user send a voice note. Those kind of things can be tracked right here. And as you see, currently it says bot is active. And using this omnichannel inbox, an agent can simply jump in and talk with the customer as well. So here let me send a message from this inbox. So let's say hi, live agent is here. So as you see, bot is active is gone, and the customer will receive that particular message right here. So now if a particular customer sent any sort of messages, they won't receive any sort of responses back from the bot. They can send any message, and as you see here, they are not getting any sort of responses because currently this particular chat is handled by the human. So an agent can again respond right here. So let me simply respond right here, and the customer will receive it right here. And an agent can simply transfer this conversation to the bot as well. So here it says transfer conversation to bot. All right, so now it says bot is active. So now if a particular customer send any sort of questions over here, it simply respond to the particular customer using the AI. So let me say I send a message here, and it will take a while to respond. So let's see what sort of response it actually sent to us over here. And you can even control the wait delay time as well easily. So it says hello, how can I assist today? Simple as that. And here an agent can actually mark this conversation as follow-up and send a message later as well. And they can also add any sort of notes as well, add as IMP notes. So just for a demo, and let's say a particular other agent who is actually checking the chat, they can easily check these notes right here and respond accordingly as well to the customer. And you can actually delete these notes, edit as well. So let me delete this particular note over here. So those kind of things are actually possible right here. So that's a quick video on how you can actually create AI WhatsApp chatbot to automate customer support. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.